My experience today was excellent. I found the content relevant. We're at a stage of, we've got existing business, but we're starting a new startup, which will, leverage off it. And so I'm very excited about it because it's relevant about scaling up and growing the team. And so, yeah, very excited. And I think the format and the presentation was delivered really well. Definitely with the Rockefeller Habits checklist, I realised going through that process how many gaps we have, and so that was to me really relevant in our current business, and making sure that the management team all know the exact same things, and having that trickle through right through to the team. So I think the Rockefeller checklist was really good for today. You can stay in, get to a company to a certain point just based on probably experiences and, things you've learnt before, but by getting such principles and learning that discipline, I think is what will take to get to that next level.